one has more? I don't know. It looks very similar, right? Which bag do you think has more marbles? Should I count them? Maybe I should count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know. How can I find out which bag has more marbles? Maybe we can measure them. Discover. Today's materials: a plate, 2 strings, 3 sets of cords, a weight lid, a weight case, a weight, and a balance bar. Let's make a balance scale and then weigh our cute little doll. All right, first, this is the piece that we want to pay special attention to. This is the balance bar. If you look, the very first hole is facing down, the second hole is facing up, okay? And along this bar, you'll see many different numbers, okay? The first part we want to do is take one of the strings and we want to tie it on the second one going up, right? All right, be careful. It's hard for some people. It's easy for other people. Take your time and try to make it through the hole. All right, through the hole, and then make it meet the other piece, and then let's tie it together. If you have trouble tying, you can ask your teacher or an adult to help you. Ta-da! Okay, so now this is the direction, okay? All right, next, put this down and take this round piece, the plate. Inside the plate, look, there's 3 holes. We want to take our cord, and at the end of each cord, we want to slide it into our plate. 1, all the way, and then pull up, and it will flatten out, okay? Up and out. Okay, have a second one. Up and out, and one more. Okay, now if you pull up, it should hold like this, okay? Now take the end of the cord, and we want to pick this up again. The first hole that goes down, we want to put it in through here. Okay, if you have trouble, you can try to put 1 hole in at a time. Okay, now it should look like this. Now we want to tie this part so it doesn't fall out, okay? Tie it. Again, if you have trouble tying, ask an adult for help. Ooh. All right, so if I let go, it will catch like this because it's tied at the top. This is going down, this one's going up, okay? Now we have one more step. Take this case and we're going to put our weight into the bottom part, close it up, okay, with the lid, and our weight is inside the case. Now take the other string and go through the hole here. Up, 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 up. Hold it together and then tie it together, okay? Okay. I'm going to hold it with this string, and look, because it's heavy on one side, it will fall to one side, right? We put our weight on this side and the weight is actually heavier and it will fall to this side. Now we want to put our doll inside our plate and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to hold this side and I'll let go in a little bit. Up and then, oh, the weight is very heavy, right? Okay, maybe we can push it in some more. Okay, that's a little bit more balanced, right? Finding the center of gravity is not easy. Oh, there we go. I think we're almost balanced, right? Take a look. So the doll that's inside our plate and this weight are balanced. If you watch, if I pull this more out, then look, the weight is too heavy. So we have to keep moving it a little bit at a time to find the center of gravity. A little bit more maybe, right there. Almost out. Oh, right now I'm at 5, okay? Wow, this is not easy. How are you doing? Okay, we can change the doll and put something else inside and try to find the center of gravity too. Good luck! Think why. We made a balance scale today. The heavier object can be placed closer to the center so the bar stays still. That's why this was very light, right? So we moved the weight in until it was balanced, okay? And if you look closely, you will see the numbers. Then you know how much it weighs too. A balance scale works on the idea of balance. You put an object into one side and the weight on the other, then the bar is level and you can find the weight. There are also many different kinds of scales, so think more about what kind of scales you see around you. In the supermarket, have you ever followed your mom and dad when they go shopping? Put the vegetables in the bag and they put it on the scale and it tells you how heavy it is. This is a price scale. At a bakery, the baker, when they cook, they weigh all their ingredients on a kitchen scale. At the post office, they put big boxes on a scale called a parcel scale and it tells you how much the box weighs. At the gym, when you're exercising, sometimes you want to know if I lost weight or gained weight. You can go and stand on the bathroom scale.